Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore percussion and how it relates to the music we make. Percussion refers to the instruments that produce sound when struck, shaken, or scraped. Percussion instruments are some of the oldest form of musical instruments and are incredibly diverse. From drums to tambourines, from cymbals to maracas, each percussion instrument has its own unique sound. Percussion instruments are broadly classified into two categories: pitched and unpitched. Pitched instruments, like xylophones and timpanis, produce specific musical notes. Unpitched percussion, like snare drums and cymbals, don't have a definitive pitch, but add rhythm and texture to the music. In a band or an orchestra, the percussion section is vital. It drives rhythm, creates energy, and even leads the pace of the piece. Percussionists must have excellent timing and a keen sense of rhythm to collaborate effectively with other musicians. Now, let's not forget global percussion. Each culture has its unique percussion instruments that reflect its musical heritage. From the djembe in West Africa, to the tabla in India, the taiko drums of Japan, to the bongos of Latin America. Each instrument is rich in history and sound. They not only add diversity to our musical palette, but they also connect us to the rhythms of different cultures from around the world. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.